Am I a killer?
Am I a killer, baby?
If I don't know how to love,
Yeah.
thought that I loved her.
Thought I loved her.
Don't know what it was, kept me away,
Yeah.
away,
Yeah.
away, away, away.
When you needed me close, something kept me away. Now I got blood on my hands, so I gotta know. Am I a killer? Am I a killer,
I
baby?
don't know how to love,
Don't
but
know.
I loved her. I don't know what it
Yeah,
was,
I don't
it
know.
kept me away,
I don't know.
away,
Yeah, I don't know. For real, I don't know why you kept me away. When you needed me close, something kept me away. Now I got blood on my hands, so I gotta know. Am I a killer? She couldn't look into his eyes. Mascara running further down her cheek with every cry. So many questions, the when, where, and why. She knew that he was different, but it still was a surprise. He really knew she was the beautifulest thing, and that's why they'd always wanted matching tattoos for the rings and all. But he got busy running routes throughout the city, staying on the grind, but it's 4 a.m. Where is he? She really didn't get upset or very critical. When friends started talking, she would give no room to ridicule him. But she was hurting, so she took it to the king. Driving to her job, she'd always pray and cry and sing. His mind was on a whole nother stratosphere. Baby on his threshold had him thinking why God had him here. And he was crushed by the look on her face, knowing the tragedy